Everyone knows that the netters have a lot of potassium. Because it's involved in all the muscle processes of the body, potassium is highly recommended to deal with muscle cramps. Additionally, the potassium contained in bananas is very important for the proper functioning of the heart, which can reduce the risk of heart attacks. The banana also contains two other important minerals, phosphorus and magnesium. Phosphorus makes up our bones and teeth and helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. Magnesium acts in the production of cellular energy and is essential for muscle relaxation. It's generally recommended for people with high stress levels. Therefore, the banana is a food that is necessary in the treatment of depression. In addition to phosphorus and magnesium, it also contains lots of tryptophan, which is a natural antidepressant that helps maintain serotonin levels in the brain and improves people's moods. Phytolexin is another substance found in bananas that acts as a natural antibiotic. It's described as a powerful anti-aging agent because it has the ability to inhibit premature aging. Finally, phytolexin also fights inflammation and cardiovascular disease. For these and other reasons, the banana is a powerful ally for people who want to lose weight. It gives us a full feeling, more energy for physical exercise, and improves mood, which certainly can become altered in initial stages of a new diet. Here's a banana drink recipe that you can add to your diet to help you lose weight. Ingredients: 1 banana, half a glass of kefir, yogurt made from goat's or sheep's milk, or plain non-fat natural yogurt. Juice of 2 lemons. 2 tablespoons flaxseed. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 pinch of cinnamon powder. Half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Instructions: mix all the ingredients evenly in a blender. We recommend that you drink it every morning, before breakfast on an empty stomach. For people with hypertension, it's recommended to remove cinnamon and ginger from the recipe, or at least consult your doctor before making the recipe to find out if regular consumption of these foods can complicate pre-existing health conditions. See how easy that is? You'll improve your weight loss diet with a nutritious and delicious drink. Enjoy! If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.